all know that many of the cancers are inherited and that genetics has a very crucial role in cancer development. So today let's discuss about the two most important genes involved in cancer development. So these are the BRCA1 and the BRCA2 genes. So BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes are very important to repair the DNA breaks that happen during normal cell cycles in our body. So they are the ones who maintain the stability of the genetic material. So whenever there are any mutations in this gene, that is the time when the patients are at an increased risk of developing breast and ovary cancer. So patients who have mutations in the BRCA1 or 2 gene have a 70 to 80% chance of developing breast cancer in their lifetime and a 40 to 60% chance of developing ovary cancer in their lifetime. So whenever you have any patient of breast or ovary cancer in your family, remember to ask your oncologist about testing for the BRCA mutation status. If that particular patient turns out to be positive for the BRCA mutation status, then the next generation or the children of that particular patient can be tested for the BRCA patient, and we can also test the siblings for the same also. Now, knowing your BRCA mutation status beforehand, that is before the development of any cancer, is going to empower you to ensure that you do your best to prevent the development of cancer in your case. So you can go for lifestyle changes, there can be screenings, and we can also counsel you for certain risk reducing surgeries. So knowing your BRCA mutation status will empower you to prevent cancer. So if you have any family member or a family history in which there is a history of breast and ovary cancer, remember to ask your oncologist about genetic counseling and screening. This is going to be in your hand to prevent development of cancer in your case. Remember that knowledge is power whenever it comes to fighting cancer.